Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to get Bluetooth icon on Taskbar in Windows 11. We will start by clicking on the taskbar to see that the Bluetooth icon is not available. After that, from the Start menu, open Settings. In this window, go to the Bluetooth and Devices section, there click on Devices. Now at the bottom, click on More Bluetooth Settings options. Finally, if you want view the Bluetooth icon, check the box, show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area, click on Apply and OK. You can see that the icon is visible on the taskbar. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.